Plano Family Dental was started in 1981 by Dr. Chapman, my predecessor. We were founded on the basis of trust, respect, and transparency. We treat patients from 1-year-old to 100-year-old, and everybody has a unique story, and we make sure that we make a treatment plan that is personalized. We make sure we listen, and then we get their goals, make a unique treatment plan that is just for them.
I wanted a smile that was my smile. I wanted it to look real. I fell and my front teeth, they broke, so I had to have the cosmetic surgery. I was very apprehensive on that because I like to smile. I came in an emergency situation. Within days, my teeth were fixed.
I was leaving the country to go to Morocco, and I had a crown come out, so I was very concerned. He put in a super temporary that was like a permanent tooth. Had no issues and felt comfortable. Dr. Joseph is meticulous, and he's pretty picky about what he does, which is a good thing.
This is my 40th year. I began coming to Plano Family Dental in 1985. 6 or 8 months ago, I had a filling fall out. He checked. He was able to reinstall it, reglue it. I was impressed that he was able to do that. He was able to put it back in relatively inexpensively.
We value people's time. And that's a very important thing for us. And we want to make sure that patients are able to come to one place that can provide all the services to that. And these specialists that we brought in helps with communication when it comes to treatment plans, especially complex treatment that we do for patients. And that's what helps them a lot and makes us unique.
Been with a lot of dentists over time, and this is the best relationship. Be highly recommended, not just because of Dr. Joseph, but because of the entire staff.
They're a responsive team. I think a team that your dental hygiene, overall health. Enjoy coming here.
I'm very pleased and proud I get to come here.